Hello, fools. This afternoon, I am making a classic American lunch favorite, which is the peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So, everyone prefers it a different way. This afternoon, I'm going to make it on toasted bread, but some people like it just plain, not toasted. Usually white bread, it's not toasted, but I was feeling adventurous today, so I toasted my bread. The peanut butter I'm going to use, it's not my favorite, but it is, it's a famous American brand called Skippy's. It has a lot of sugar in it, which, just like Brazilian peanut butter, I guess. This one is smooth. If you can tell, there's no chunks in it. If it has chunks, we call it crunchy peanut butter. So I'm gonna put the peanut butter on one side of the toast. Sometimes people like to put it on both sides so that the bread doesn't get too soggy, too wet when you put on the jelly, because the jelly is a little bit wetter. But I'm just gonna do one side. So with a butter knife, it's a very smooth knife. We call this a butter knife. I apply the peanut butter to cover one side of the toast. You can clean your knife if you want, but I'm just gonna dip this one right into the jelly. So I am using this one's blueberry jelly today. You can use strawberry, you can use raspberry, any types of berries will do. And then, I just spread it on the other side of the toast. Depends, it's up to personal preference if you want more jelly or if you want more peanut butter. Personally, I think the peanut butter flavor is a little stronger than the fruit flavor, so I like to add more of the jelly than the peanut butter. So we call this a PB and J. PB means peanut butter, and the J stands for jelly. So it's as simple as that. Now all you have to do is combine peanut butter and jelly to make the best sandwich in the world. This is found in probably 50% of all the lunch boxes of 5-year-olds in America right now. And it is delicious. So enjoy at home, fools.